everyone, Sense Jag here, and today I also have my Diet Chef box, and it's a giant box, and it's 28 days worth of meals and snacks, and apparently it's a great way to lose weight because I really need to. And so I'm going to show you what's in this giant box. That is a giant box. I'm not joking. Now, if you want to try this, you can go to Diet Chef web, obviously, and but I got this deal off Voucher. Goodness me! Look at all this. Getting started. Where do you start with all this? Goodness me. Diet Chef, here we are, getting started. Like, where do I start with all this? Oh my goodness me. All you need to know, right. I guess I'll read that in a minute. Getting started. I'll just show you some of the things I have. I have vegetable korma. Obviously, I'm vegetarian, so I just chose all the vegetable stuff, and I eat fish as well, so I chose the meals with either vegetables in or fish. But you can go through all the meals and take out what you want and what you don't want, you know. So I got vegetable korma, first example. And what else? Vegetable curry there. Vegetable korma again. There's more underneath. And you also get snacks. Now these are cheese and red onion flavour, soy and potato snacks. There we go. And there's some biscuits, oat biscuits there. And we also have protein bars. That's cranberry flavour, that one. Goodness me, what's this? Oh, this is for breakfast. Muesli. This is muesli. Fruity oats muesli. There we go, that's for breakfast. There we go. And what is this? This is like snacks as well. This is popcorn, more snacks. Oh, snacks. Goodness me. What is this? Oh, that's more snacks. So on sale. That's all the vegetable kormas that you can have for dinner. I think it is, yeah. Dinner or lunch, whatever. What else have I got? Goodness me. Dirty. Oh, it's all buried under here and I can't quite get to it unless I take all this out. So I'll have to sort it all out later. But yeah, there's vegetable korma. I had to choose all the veggie stuff, and like I said, I did choose some fish dishes. Like there was tuna, pasta bake, tuna lasagna, something else. Oh Lord, this is vegetable curry. You can choose the meat curries if you eat meat, but I've got all these because obviously I'm vegetarian, and it looks very nice. I suppose you have to I'll have to make some rice with it, I think. Or does it have? No. Right. Goodness me, what a lot. Oh, what's this? Chocolate porridge. Goodness me. Oat porridge with chocolate. Very nice. There we go. So, this is my food for the next month. All you do is eat this, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you lose some weight. So, yeah, very good. So I'll get started sorting all this lot out, and I'll do a weigh-in maybe next week. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you later. Bye.